Let's close our eyes now and just relax. There's nothing to do and there's nowhere to go other than just to relax. Your body is already breathing. So just be present with your body as it breathes in, as it breathes out. You are this incredible, aware consciousness, aware of each breath, profoundly aware of each breath. You're present with the breath and you're nowhere else. If a thought arises, you notice it. It passes quickly. You don't reject it. You don't believe in it. You're neutral. And the body is still breathing. And it's very, very easy to deepen into presence as you're present with the breath. You're just more finely attuned to this moment. You are in this moment and no other. You are here now. And every moment you are truly present, you've liberated yourself from the dream, from the world of illusion and separation. Now you're here. There's nothing to do and nowhere to go. You're just here, present with what is here. Your body breathing, your feet touching the floor, your hands touching whatever they're touching. Any sound you hear moment to moment. Now you're here. And if you listen carefully, you might hear the angels sing Hallelujah. There is so much celebration every moment you're truly present. When you're present, you are love. But it's not the normal kind of love we're used to. It's divine love. It's who you are. You are literally the energy of love. You glow with love. Just like a candle might glow with light, you glow with love. It doesn't matter who or what you love. You are the love. You are the acceptance. As you relax into presence, the illusion of separation dissolves. And you open into the truth of oneness. And if you wanted to whisper the words very prayerfully and very quietly, God, are you here? The answer most likely will be yes, of course. I'm always here. I'm always with you. Even when you're lost in the dream, I'm still here with you. When you're truly present, you and I are one, says God. In truth, there is only one. And I am that one, says God. I am that. I am. And everything in the present moment is an expression of the I am that I am. And just experiencing the extraordinary intimacy of presence. It's very intimate. It's almost like having a love affair with God and presence and truth and oneness. You're here now. You could also say to God, I am here now. Do with me as you will. You could also say to God, please allow me to be an expression of you in the world. Look through my eyes, behold yourself. Hear through my ears, hear yourself. Feel the wind upon my face. That's you, God, in the form of wind. And your relationship with thoughts, if they do arise, is friendly. Your relationship with your physical body is friendly and loving and nurturing. And be very, very vigilant. If a thought arises, instantly be aware of it. Don't drift off. If you like, you can say thinking, then back to the body breathing. Okay, and when you feel ready to, you can gently open your eyes and be present with me. And when you're present with me, in a sense, you're present with everyone attending this meeting. We live in a world where very few are inviting us into presence. But not here, not now. We're all inviting each other into presence. We are all present together. And when we're present together, we open into oneness. One being expressing in many different ways. Each of you, including me, we're all wonderfully unique individual expressions of the one being, or the one. Every tree is a wonderfully unique expression of the one tree. Every flower. But the same is true for us. A wonderfully unique and beautiful expression of the one being. Every woman is an expression of the one woman. Every man an expression of the one man. Every child an expression of the one child. We could almost call it the divine family. And in this moment, you know that you are whole and complete within yourself. Your body is still breathing. Your feet are still touching the floor. But with your eyes open, it adds a beautiful dimension to be present with or present in. I am here. You are here. We are here, sharing this moment of now. Only one moment, this moment of now. The eternal now. Time dissolves. We're in the eternal now. Okay, so we'll soften the energy a little bit and see if anybody wants to share anything or ask a question. And we can always come back to deep presence, in and out of deep presence very easily and simply. In fact, it's good to master the art of flow. One moment, I'm asking a question. Next moment, I'm deeply, deeply present. There's really no obstacle to that flow, no interruption to that flow. You can be sitting in a cafe, talking to your friends, gossiping, telling jokes, telling stories. Next moment, you're instantly and deeply present. There's no delay. The present moment never goes. The deepest level of awakened presence, eternal presence, never ever leaves. It's always here. So it's just a question of you remembering. Now you're here.